Hey, it's Pipiads. If you want to know which products are trending on TikTok, in this video, I have the most viral products on TikTok for your consideration. Let's take a look. Today, our first winning product is the custom laser engraved stainless steel keychain. Stainless steel with a highly polished surface. Photo engraved as a color image on the front side, and text engraved on the back. You can create a unique gift you can give to someone you love so that they can carry it wherever they go. The suggested selling price is $20 to $0.99, with the product costing on AliExpress $5.5, which would leave you with a great profit. Our next winning product is the hair straightener brush. Straightening your hair will never be easier. Get ready to say goodbye to frizz and hello to silky, smooth hair. Unlike traditional hair straighteners, it glides through the hair quickly and seamlessly to prevent damage and maintain your hair's health while still producing a fabulous result. The recommended selling price is $39.99 and the product cost on AliExpress is $13.43. That's all we have to share about today's best winning products. Thanks for watching.